I just closed a $10,000 deal from TikTok, and that is because the power of social media. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sarah Gorman, boss, and I teach real estate agents how to attract clients on social media without spending a dollar on ads. I built a six-figure business year over year through social media channels such as Instagram and TikTok, and I'm here to teach you the same. Today we're talking about the 3 biggest mistakes agents make online, the exact things that block clients from finding you and keep your growth from happening. If you want to find out what those things are, keep on watching. Mistake number 1 is only posting listings. I cannot tell you how many times I've been on another realtor's page and it literally just looks like a big feed of MLS. Scrolling countlessly through, just listed, just sold, coming soon. Nobody cares about that. I need you to get on camera and start doing reels, and I need you to start making TikToks. Videos is king. Here's the truth. People do not follow you because of your listings. They follow you because of you. You are the reason why your business is successful. You are the reason why you are getting these listings. So show the people through video why they should hire you. This will allow you to kind of stand out from the rest of the people who are doing the exact same thing as you right now that's clearly not working. If you want to get leads through social media, you need to have a reason why people want to work with you. Here's the thing. Clients buy into your expertise, they buy into your authority, but more importantly, they buy into your personality. If you want the clients coming to you in your inbox, DMs, or booked in your calendar, I'm gonna show you the things that you need to post in order to get the clients coming to you. You wanna share tips, you wanna share story, you wanna show behind the scenes, they love that stuff. You wanna give them education, and more importantly, you wanna give them your perspective on what the market is like and what real estate looks like when they work with you. Doing all of those things are gonna build connection, build trust, and flood your inbox full of leads. A lot of realtors are posting a lot of content, but without any real direction. One day it's a house tour. The next day it's a random meme. The next day it's a dance trend. If there is no clear messaging, your audience on the other end will not be able to identify who you help, what problems you solve, and why they should choose you. When you're posting these videos, you want to identify what your clear message is. Why should somebody hire you to make the biggest financial decision of their life? I want you to think about that when you are creating these videos, and it helps bring the clients that you want to work with to you. Clarity creates attraction. Confusion repels the client. So think about that when you're posting. Essentially what I'm saying to you is I want you to identify who your target audience is, identify who your target client is, who do you want to work with, and what price point do you want to work with? And that will help you identify what kind of videos that you should make. Being inconsistent. And trust me, I've been there. But when you start seeing the money rolling in, you're gonna be consistent, trust me. Agents will show up for 1 week and then completely disappear. And then they only show up when their business is slow. But in reality, social media is a relationship that needs to be worked on. You can't expect clients to trust you when you're only visible here and there. What I've learned is posting consistently doesn't mean posting every single day. It's posting with predictability. So set a schedule that fits with your lifestyle and stick to it. If that means you're going to record Monday, Wednesday, Friday and post Tuesday, Thursday, if that works for your schedule, do that. If you can post every day, even better. But the reality is you need to be consistent and people need to know when to expect your video. The idea is that you commit to showing up. You make a promise to yourself and you stick to it. I just closed a $10,000 deal and that was from TikTok. She followed my process, clicked the link in my bio, booked a call in my calendar. We had a consultation call. I got her pre-approved. We went out 3 times, and on the 3rd time, we found the perfect home in which our offer was accepted. So that is the power of social media. If you can do this consistently over and over, you will see multiple 6 figures in your bank account every single year. If this helped, please click the like and subscribe button, because next I am breaking down how to turn social media followers into real quality clients. And if you want deeper coaching, I'm going to be releasing a full course on social media strategies and how to get clients very soon, so stay tuned. See you in the next video. Bye.